Hello, I'm Andrew from Hendrickson. Today we're here to talk about the lift axle EXS suspension product. And specifically we're going to talk about the bolt-on seat. With the old product, there was customers' concerns, they would damage something, and the only recourse was to change the entire axle seat weldment. We have now made it modular, and so now you can cut off the factory huck bolts, take your damaged seat off, put your new seat back on, and because everyone doesn't have huck guns, we've proven the joint out with regular bolted joints. So you just bolt it all back together, and you can put it back in the field. Along with this, you can change your ride height in the field and mix in our modular axle of 0, 3, 5, and 7-inch drop with our seats. You can range from 8.5 to 20.5-inch ride height. Thank you for watching, and remember, Hendrickson is here to help you go the extra mile.